could be us.
What's up, buddy? This is Lucky. Welcome back to my channel Lucky Programmers. In previous videos we completed the practice set 3 on the upper row. That means we completed the practice QWER space POIU space. If you didn't watch those previous videos, I suggest you to stop this video right here and go back watch those previous videos by clicking on the I button above, or you will find the links in the description box below. This is class 4 on English typing. Before giving you the fourth practice set, I have something to explain for you. If you have observed, there are small bumps on the keys F and J. We call them ridges. Those ridges help the users to place their fingers correctly on the keyboard without having to look at the keyboard. Now, back to the practice set 4. In this practice set 4, we are going to practice T and Y keys, just like we practiced G and H keys before. So just practice like this. QWERTR space POIUYU space QWERTR space POIUYU space. So as of now we have 4 home keys for each index finger of our each hand, like F, G, R, T for the index finger of left hand, J, H, U, Y for the index finger of the right hand. I suggest you to speak out loudly while typing. That will help your brain to register those related keys and home keys, and that will improve your speed while typing. Hit the like button if you feel our content is useful. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing and ring the bell to get the update of newly uploaded videos. So type like this: QWERTR space POIUYU space QWERTR space POIUYU space. Practice this for 1 hour per day for 4 days or 2 hours per day for 2 days. Share this video to as many people as you can. Thanks for watching.